You ready to vlog, Amanda?
Yeah, man.
Let's vlog. We're actually heading over to the convention center. That's where the main show for Mustang Week is. Zach for hours, he's already there. We're late. Amanda and Laura, they actually went out on the beach today, had some fun, enjoyed themselves. So we're heading over late as always. Aren't I always late?
Yes, always.
It's always. So Amanda's gonna ride with me. We're gonna head down there and then come back and I guess get ready for tonight's meet at 9 o'clock.
Yep.
Yeah, can I help you?
What's up, bro? How you doing, bro?
I'm all right, man.
I've been seeing you around. This car's pretty badass and sexy, man. What's your name?
JD.
Can I ask you for a quick favor, bro?
What's that?
I like to sleep with that broad right next to you. What's her name?
What's up?
What are you willing to do for 35 cents?
No, nothing.
You heard it here, bro. She's gonna totally
All right, bro.
All right.
I can't put that shit in my video. Oh my gosh. Bruno is something else. Like, that's the type of weird shit that he does. If you guys want to check out his channel, it is listed in my featured channels down below and also off to the side. All Cars United. You can check him out. He is no filter, just put it that way. Way to say it.
Nasty, that's what I'm saying.
Is that thing just slammed in the rear? What's the drop shackle? Said that's called drop shackle. I don't know what that's supposed to mean. I've never heard of that. That is new to me.
Never heard of that, and that's pretty slanted for me.
Slanted?
Yeah, I don't know.
It is slanted. I don't know what the purpose is for that. I'm not sure. I wouldn't do it. We literally parked right out front. I don't know. What'd you do? It just came off. I'll fix it. Broke my seatbelt.
I'm sorry.
So, guys, I need you guys to do me a big favor. You need to comment this below. Happy birthday, Les. Today is Dak for Hours' birthday. He's turning what? 21. So, guess what that means? He can drink now.
Yep,
So,
going out partying.
comment below, because today is his birthday. He's probably going to get mad at me for announcing this, but you know what? Happy birthday, Les. Literally parked right out front. How you doing?
Watch you all the time.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
I appreciate it. So you've been staying up with the daily vlogs this week?
Well, not the last couple of days because we were on our way down here.
We won't put that in the video. He secretly has been watching them. He's been watching them. We just got here. We're walking in super late as always. And we're gonna go, I guess, figure out where everybody's at and what's going on here. Show you guys some cars. I'm also rocking the VMP. I did this so nobody would recognize me. Oh, what's going on? Dude, I was just talking about you. So this line right here is the line to get your Joyride shirt? Not really.
He wishes.
To walk out here.
You'll get there.
One day. I don't remember seeing the car parts last year, did you?
No, not really.
Got the VMP. Okay, yesterday's video, I was talking about the Oxford white, but this orange, oh my goodness. Hey, what's going on? What's going on? I'm just walking around talking to myself.
Oh,
normal.
I'm watching all your vlogs.
Oh, thanks, man. What do you think of this?
I've got a
You-
over myself.
What color's yours?
Red Fire commercial.
Red Fire. Holy crap. CCW. Perfect. Perfect. Comp orange. CCW. Got to get the Instagram for the vlog. I'm going to have to follow him later. What's up, dude? What's going on, girl? Hey, how you doing?
Fabulous.
Fabulous. The car is looking awesome, dude.
Thank you.
I saw the new interior.
I just finished it, everything like 10 minutes ago.
Sweet, sweet. Oh my gosh, can I get a picture? Can I get a picture?
Oh my god. What's up, buddy?
What's up, man? How are you? So we're gonna do a review on the GT500
Tomorrow.
tomorrow. It's going down tomorrow.
It's going
guys.
down.
All right.
It's gonna be a great time.
What's up, man?
You didn't see me in a while, have you?
No, it's been a while.
Everybody
Yeah,
on the
right.
page still liking me?
I don't know. Did anybody call you?
No, not yet.
No phone calls from that? Because that was your actual phone number in that video. That was your actual number.
Yeah.
Yeah, next time I'll put her number in. I bet you'll get some phone calls. Yeah. All right. Insert phone number right here. I'm just kidding. Just kidding. You should have saw your face. You were like, you better not. I'll do the Instagram.
Yeah, please.
We gotta go over here, say hi to our boys over here at VMP. What's up? The VMP crew right here.
How's it going, JD?
How's it going? How's it going? here's the crew. Here's the crew.
Hey. Hello, Joyriders.
Look, she brought us food.
Some nachos.
Sweet, sweet. And then Mr. ShockerRacing.
I'm shy today.
Okay, you're shy today. Awesome. Love the shirt. Look at this. He's repping.
That's right, baby.
So,
Number 1 YouTube channel right here.
look at that. Look at that.
Bex, Team Laura. We got Logan. We got Liam. We got the GT500.
Dude, super fan right here.
Yeah, that's right.
So you do artwork, right? And you say you're sending me something?
Yeah, I am. That's
All
right.
right. So be on the lookout for that.
Stay tuned.
And we'll clip back to this moment.
Exactly.
All right, man.
All right,
Take care.
awesome. Nice meeting you.
Found my next set of wheels. Guys, check this out. I like the sets that you guys had out on display. It was the silver center with the black lip. Looked awesome. They already packed it up, but I think he's gonna unpack it and show. Just got hooked up with some merch. Medium. Dude, that is sweet, man. Comment below if you guys want to see a set of these on the GT500. That would look sweet.
Tired of the gray, you can.
Oh, you can just change out the center, right? Oh shoot! So you do just
Yeah, two-piece.
two-piece wheels, just swap. Dude, that is sweet, man. So what do you think?
I like this.
But what's cool is you can take it and you can always swap out the center with a different color.
Oh, get the hell out. That's what that is.
You want a shirt?
That's all.
Yeah, I'd love one. Thanks.
Small?
Yeah, small, please.
Try to open his car door.
What is it, like suicide doors or something?
No, just try to come over here and open it.
This is a predicament here. I mean, I can go in this way.
You can't go in. Close it. Now wave your hand under the mirror.
Like this. Is it gonna
Yeah, like.
He's trolled me so hard. My reaction to his video, I actually wasn't scared. I was just with him.
She is lying. Don't let her
No,
tell you guys
no.
that she was
Everyone's
scared.
like, oh my God.
She's scared. Left turn. All right. Rolling out. Where are we heading now? We gotta go stop at Starbucks.
Yeah, we gotta stop at Starbucks and get Laura some Starbucks, and then we gotta go get the RV for the event tonight, and then head on over and get set up.
I don't know if we're gonna take the RV. We should or no?
I've been telling people all day.
I gotta bring the RV and pop the hood.
Starbucks vlog.
They are closed. I think Laura and I came here too much this week. They ran out of cups, so they had to close. So we're gonna head back to the house, and then when we head out, I guess we'll probably find another Starbucks. Guess what time it is? Enjoy Ryan. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. S is officially 21 years old, so guess what? Tonight he gets to go out and drink for the first time.
I'm 16, by the way.